Another day of this, Kenji. Just give it up, man. That digital art nonsense isn't a job. It's a hobby for kids who don't want to work. I keep my eyes on the dishwater. The grease is thick today. It's not just art, boss. It's assets. I'm learning the market. He laughs, wiping his hands on a stained apron. The market? The only market you belong in is the one where you buy groceries with the pittance I pay you. Grow up. He's right. Look at me, 32, smelling like old fry oil, and spending my nights staring at a screen until my eyes bleed. Maybe I am just delusional. Excuse me, son. You're the one doing those technical renders I saw on the community board, right?
I look up. An old man is sitting at the counter, a camera bag slung over his shoulder. He looks like he's seen the whole world. Yeah, that's me. They aren't much. They're precise, he says, sliding a business card across the grease-stained wood. I'm a wildlife photographer. I need someone who understands lighting and textures for my archive restoration. It's a specialized niche, high stakes. You interested? Is he serious? This is it. This is the door. I'll do it. I'll have the first batch by Monday. 2 days later, I'm staring at my screen in horror. The files are corrupted. The lighting is flat. I tried too hard to make it perfect and ended up breaking the soul of the image. I failed. Of course I failed. Who was I kidding? I'm just a dishwasher with a fancy mouse. I should just delete the software and apologize. I walk to the park, sitting on a bench in the cold. Why am I doing this? Is it for the money? No. It's because for those 3 hours at night, I'm not Kenji the dishwasher. I'm a creator. I'm building something. If I stop now, I'm agreeing with my boss. I'm agreeing that I'm nothing. I go home. I don't open a beer. I open the laptop. I clear the workspace. No more clutter. No more distractions.
Okay, back to basics. Focus on the light, not the pixels. Click, click, drag. Wait. That's it. That glow on the eagle's wing? That's real. Kenji, it's better than the originals. The old man whispers into the phone. I'm sending over the full contract and a deposit. Get ready. The first check hits my account. It's more than a month's salary at the diner. I don't buy a watch. I don't buy new clothes. I buy a high-end rendering rig. Wake up at 5 a.m. Edit for 3 hours. Go to the diner. Scrub floors. Come home. Edit until midnight. Repeat. Still at it, Kenji. You look like a ghost, my boss sneers. You're gonna burn out for nothing. I'm not burnt out, boss. I'm focused. I walk into my parents' cramped living room. The final notice on the table is glowing red under the dim lamp. My dad is rubbing his temples. My mom is staring at the floor. Hey, Dad. Mom, look at this. I slide a laptop over. It's not an image. It's a bank confirmation page. What is this, Kenji? Why does it say mortgage balance 0? I took that job, Dad. The one everyone said was a waste of time. I've been working. It's done. The house is yours, permanently.
My mom starts to cry. And for the first time in years, my dad's shoulders drop. They don't feel heavy anymore. I'm standing outside the diner today. I'm not going in. I'm looking at my hands. They don't smell like oil anymore. They feel like tools. I wasn't lucky. I was consistent when it was painful to be. To the person watching this, the world will try to shame you into being realistic because your growth makes them uncomfortable with their own stagnation. They will call your passion a hobby until it becomes an empire. Do not look for validation in the eyes of people who have given up on themselves. Keep your head down. Keep your desk clean. Keep your soul in the work. One day, you'll look up and realize the mountain you were climbing is now the ground you stand on. Don't stop.